All right, there's inflatable boxing gloves that they can smack each other around with and distract the other player from grabbing a toy. There are water guns and there are water balloons. So each player has to fight to get as many toys as they can, and they can use the water balloons and the gloves and the guns to distract their opponent. Are we ready?
Yeah!
On your mark, get set, collect toys!
Alright, you gotta put your glove on though.
Ready, set, try to get a toy!
You both got one.
Who's gonna get it first?
Oh, I got one. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy got another toy. Throw it in his pile. Put it in your pile.
I got one. Oh. Go, you gotta run and put it in your pile. You feel? Oh no, I'm being attacked. Kailani, no. Oh, I gotta hurry up. Oh no. Oh, it's cold.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
All right, let's open these toys.
Here's your mini Rhonda. I'm opening my Shopkins.
So what are we opening? Is this Captain America what?
I don't know.
I do it.
Wait, he's supposed to film it.
I do it.
Wait. Oh!
Yes.
Open it.
I know it's inside in my shop.
Shopkins.
Yeah, Shopkins.
Oh. You okay? Look at this guy. He's so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, bro. Thomas and Friends.
You open this?
Hang on, open
Yeah.
Thomas first.
Ready? Let's try Mighty Minis.
I got this one.
Batman. That's pretty
Which
cool.
one did you get?
Batman train.
Nice.
Oh, you got the Mighty Minis.
I got this one.
What is this guy?
What's Kailani opening? Shopkins?
Guys,
Oh, cool.
look, I got here.
What is this?
This
Hmm.
one.
Right, here we go.
Okay.
So, alright, guys. Got a Ghostbusters guy.
And this one.
Batman Mini X.
And we have this one.
Batman Thomas and Trains. And Shopkins.
The one that's the structures.
Oh, wait. Maggie Pet Shop.